My name is Tunisia, the jewel of the Mediterranean and the land of ancient history shaped by civilizations. I am Carthage, where Hannibal's ships set sail, and Kairouan, a beacon of Islam and knowledge. I am the shores of Sidi Bou Said with its captivating blue and white, the southern desert with its hidden treasures, and the olive trees of my land that tell stories of deep roots. My people are creative and full of life, carrying a rich heritage of culture and art, blending authenticity with renewal. In every corner of Tunisia you find warmth and the pulse of innovation. I am Tunisia, the land of beauty and diversity, a nation thriving with the will of its people and embracing the future with hope and determination.